There has never been a better time to get started selling on Amazon. Hey, Amazon business owners and soon to be Amazon business owners. It's Tim with ALGO Online Retail. There has never been a better time to get started selling on Amazon. It seems like every day Amazon announces something else they're doing to make this a better platform for us third-party sellers to be able to get more sales, make more money, have an easier time doing it, spending less of our lives actually going through the process of selling on Amazon. I don't think there's a better way right now to make money. If you're an entrepreneur and you're looking to make some passive income, residual income, some extra income, this is the platform for you. By the way, if you've tried Amazon in the past and it didn't work out so well for you, watch this video. All right, so here's what I want to do. I want to highlight some of the things that make Amazon such a great platform. Let me share my screen and go through a couple of those. I'm going to give you 5 reasons about Amazon's FBA and why you should get started using it. Again, if you're an entrepreneur, you want to make some extra money, this is the place for you. So the first thing I want to highlight is this. There is a wealth of tools available. So as a seller on Amazon, you're going to need to do the research. You're going to need to find products to sell. There are now so many tools out there because the world has recognized how huge Amazon is and what a great place it is to sell. So all these third-party companies are building tools. They're building software, they're building apps to help us do the research so that we don't need to spend hours and hours in spreadsheets. There are tools that will scrub those spreadsheets for us and tell us how much profit we're going to make and the fees and different things like that. You're going to love the tools that are out there. Second thing I want to highlight, by the way, most of those tools are free for you to use. Second, Amazon has an incredibly large consumer base. So there's hundreds of millions of buyers on Amazon in North America alone. So if you live in North America, when you want to buy something, where's the first place you go? You go to Amazon, right? You go to Amazon, you look for that product. And what type of shipping do you want? You want FBA. You want that little prime word right next to what you're buying, right? So as a buyer on Amazon, I go to Amazon, I look for the product I want, I see it's prime, it's going to get to my house tomorrow or 2 days. That's what I love about Amazon. Now, on the flip side, as a seller, if you're using Amazon's FBA system, you can get that sale. That sale can be yours. You can win the buy box. Now, if you don't know what the buy box is or what winning the buy box means, there's other videos that we've done at ALGO. Check out our YouTube page, and there's lots of other videos we can teach about winning the buy box and how that works. But when you're using Amazon's FBA, you can get credit for all these sales that are happening already on Amazon. You just have to know how to do it. All right, third thing I want to highlight, Amazon takes care of the hard work. So this is one of the reasons why it's such a great place to make money. You can actually have a life and be selling on Amazon. So Amazon, with their infrastructure through FBA, they have the warehouses, they have the employees, they do the storage, they pick up the product, they pack the product, they ship the product, right? They take all of that. And they're doing the marketing. Now, everything I just mentioned, those are essential elements of a business that you would have to do yourself if you were using your own platform. For instance, if you had your own website, you'd have to do the storage and the shipping. You'd have to take care of all these things. You'd have to do the marketing. Amazon takes care of what I call the hard work for you. Again, the goal here is to make money a better way, not to just get another job. You want to be able to make money a better way, and Amazon definitely provides that opportunity for you. All right, the fourth reason, all issues are handled by Amazon. So when an Amazon buyer has a problem with something they bought, even if you sold it to them, they reach out to Amazon. Amazon wants all customer-facing issues to go to them. They consider all these buyers Amazon customers, right? Even though maybe I provided the product, they're Amazon's customers. So when I'm using Amazon's FBA system, if there's a problem with shipping, if the box is damaged, if the wrong product showed up, the product was damaged, who does Amazon reach out to for all these things? Who does the buyer reach out to? They reach out to Amazon, right? I don't have to answer those questions, right? And it could also just be a simple question. The buyer has a simple question. I don't have to answer that question. Amazon takes care of it. They're handling all those issues. And then the fifth one, you can run your business from anywhere or everywhere, right? It doesn't matter where you live. Now, there's a lot of possible sources of income that don't work that way. You want to have a job, or you go to a building and you do a job for someone, you got to live in the general area, right? If you want to sell on Amazon because you're not touching the product, your supplier is shipping your product straight to an Amazon FBA warehouse. You don't have to touch the product. Amazon's doing the shipping, they're doing the handling, the customer service, right? They're doing all that. You can live wherever you want. You can move around. You can jump in an RV and go travel the country, right? You can go on vacation. Just take this laptop with you. And you can run your Amazon business. So final thoughts on this that I want to share with you are this. If you're looking to make extra money in life, if you're looking for a side income, residual income, passive income, a better way to make money, you hate your boss, you're working 3 jobs and you want to have a better situation, there is not a better place out there than Amazon for you to do that on. And so Amazon has done a lot of the hard work for you, right? It can be a great source of income for you and can provide that possibility for a better life. So if you want to learn how to sell on Amazon, you want to do this right, you want to avoid some of the common mistakes that are out there and be able to take advantage of all of the tools and infrastructure that Amazon provides, I'd love to teach you how to do this. So there's a link right down there. Click on the link for the free live webinar. I did say free and I did say live. So it's 90 minutes long. I'm going to be live because I want to do a question and answer period and be able to answer every single question you have. And so here's what I'm going to do. First 60 minutes, I'm going to cover a time-tested, proven business model, how to sell on Amazon the right way using Amazon's FBA system that I just talked about. So I'll cover that in 60 minutes. Then I'll open it up to questions. Any and all questions you have are fair game. I promise I will answer every single one, and I won't end the call until all your questions are answered. So that's why I'm doing it live, so I can answer all your questions. Again, it's free. It'll be sometime in the next week, so get your seat. The link's right down there. Click on that, save your virtual seat, and I'll see you soon.